LCID stock analysis and price predictions for Lucid Group stock. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space with an actual 44,000 video track record and 5 years of experience, and when I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Bro, my prediction with the sell side that was called out, it's risk-free and it's still moving inside my direction. Right, here's the proof. It was made when it was 293 and now we're 241. Yeah, like if it hits my TP, then I walk away with 0R plus. If not, then yeah, so be it. I'll walk away with 0. You know, that's it. Like, I'm not, bro. People are over exaggerating. Like, why the heck would I place a trade where it's not even supposed to be there, right? And if no rules are met, then it just doesn't make sense. Bottom line, I will not. So that's how it's looking like for me. It's just a bearish bias for right now and not forever. Again, I'm sticking to my edge that I've refined over 5 years. And if you want to get free daily stock picks and emails to stay tuned and make more, click the first link in the description. It's free.